center. Let's begin by creating a peaceful space in your mind. Imagine a place where you feel safe and relaxed. It could be a beach, a forest, or a mountaintop. What do you see in this place? What do you hear? Let the beauty of this place fill your senses. Breathe in the fresh air, feel the peace of your surroundings. Relaxation. Focus on your breath. The natural rhythm of your breath will guide you deeper. Breathe in slowly and gently. Feel the air fill your lungs. As you breathe out, release any tension. Let go of any thoughts or worries. With each breath, you're becoming more peaceful and relaxed. Section 5. Releasing tension. Let's focus on releasing tension in your body. Starting with your toes, gently clench and release them. Feel the tension melt away as you release. Move up to your legs, clenching and releasing your muscles. Continue this process, moving up your body. Release tension in your stomach, back, chest, arms, and hands. Section 6. A journey inward. Now, bring your attention to your face. Relax your jaw, your cheeks, and your forehead. Let go of any tension you might be holding there. Feel the peace spreading throughout your entire body. You are now deeply relaxed. Your mind is quiet. You are ready to journey inward to the place of true peace within you. As you continue to focus on your face, notice how each muscle begins to soften. Imagine a gentle wave of relaxation washing over you, starting from the top of your head and slowly moving down. This wave carries away any stress or discomfort, leaving only calmness in its wake. Your jaw, often a place where tension accumulates, is now loose and free. Your cheeks, which might have been tight, are now soft and at ease. Your forehead, which may have been furrowed with worry, is now smooth and serene. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel this relaxation deepen. With each breath, you sink further into a state of tranquility. Your entire face is now a reflection of the peace you are cultivating within. This peace is not just on the surface, it permeates every cell of your being. Imagine this feeling of relaxation spreading from your face to your neck and shoulders. These areas too are often burdened with tension. Allow them to release and let go. Feel the weight lifting off your shoulders as if a heavy burden has been removed. Your neck is free to move without restriction, and your shoulders drop into a comfortable, natural position. Now, let this wave of relaxation continue its journey down your arms, through your chest, and into your abdomen. Each breath you take fills your lungs with calmness and serenity. And as you exhale, you release any remaining tension. Your arms feel light and relaxed, your chest open and free, and your abdomen soft and at ease. This wave of relaxation moves further down into your hips, thighs, knees, and finally your feet. Every part of your body is now in a state of deep relaxation. You are completely at peace, both physically and mentally. In this state of profound relaxation, your mind is quiet and still. Thoughts may come and go, but they do not disturb your peace. You are an observer, watching them pass by like clouds in the sky. You are not attached to them, you simply let them drift away. You are now ready to journey inward, to explore the depths of your inner self. This is a place of true peace, a sanctuary within you that is always available. Here you can connect with your true essence, your inner wisdom, and your deepest desires. This journey inward is a path to self-discovery and self-love. Embrace it with an open heart and a curious mind. You are exactly where you need to be. Section 8. Embracing peace. Allow yourself to rest in the warmth of this light. This is your true nature, your inner peace. There's nothing you need to do. Just be present with this feeling of peace. Embrace this peace. Know that it is always available to you whenever you need it. You can return to this place of peace anytime you feel stressed or overwhelmed. Imagine the first rays of the sun gently kissing the horizon, painting the sky with hues of gold and pink. The calm ocean mirrors this beauty, its surface undisturbed, reflecting the serenity of the moment. As you breathe in, feel the tranquility of a forest clearing where the air is fresh and the sounds of nature create a symphony of calm. Picture a gentle river flowing, its waters clear and soothing, carrying away any tension or worry you may have. In this serene setting, allow yourself to rest in the warmth of this light. This light is not just a physical phenomenon, it is a symbol of your true nature, your inner peace. Feel its warmth enveloping you, wrapping you in a cocoon of comfort and safety. There is nothing you need to do, no tasks to complete, no responsibilities to shoulder. Just be present with this feeling of peace. Let it wash over you, cleansing your mind and soul. Embrace this peace. It is not a fleeting moment, but a constant presence within you. Know that it is always available to you whenever you need it. In moments of stress or overwhelm, remember that you can return to this place of peace. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and visualize this serene setting. Feel the warmth of the light, hear the gentle flow of the river, and let the tranquility of the forest clearing fill your being. This inner peace is your sanctuary, a place where you can retreat to whenever the world feels too chaotic. It is a reminder that no matter what happens outside, you have a wellspring of calm within you. Embrace this peace, nurture it, and let it guide you through life's challenges. It is your true nature, your inner strength, and it is always within reach. Whenever you feel lost or overwhelmed, remember that you can always return to this place of peace. It is your refuge, your safe haven, and it is always there for you. Section 9. Returning to awareness. Now, gently begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the sounds around you. Feel the air on your skin. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to adjust to your surroundings. Carry the peace you found within you into the rest of your day. Section 10. Finding peace every day. Remember, inner peace is a practice. The more you meditate, the easier it will be to find your center and connect with your inner peace. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like and subscribe for more guided meditations. Share this video with someone who might need a little peace in their life.